Okay, so I finally got around to working on this collaboration with another fellow artist. I meant to do this collaboration several months ago, but I got very busy, and I started working on doing so many of the drawings and working on so much that I just never got around to starting it. But here's a collaboration that we finally worked on, and as you can see here in this drawing that he's working on, there's a lot of strange doodles, what it looks to me like organic, and I kind of see tree roots or maybe some kind of flowers in it. Maybe if you squint you'll see different shapes, because I think I see a face. It looks like kind of like a cartoonish face on the left side. It kind of looks like a pumpkin. Maybe I'm just seeing things. Now it kind of looks like a sun. And then now he's adding some stippling. And there's a lot of detail in this drawing, as I can see here. And this looks like clouds. And now, yes, lots of detail all over the place. It's an interesting drawing style. A bit different than my own, but it's interesting. And I do draw a bit of inspiration from this. Like the top left part of this drawing, it kind of looks like a part of some kind of tunneling. And I like how things are layered above each other. It gives it a very three-dimensional look to the drawing. And this part here kind of looks like parts of a plant, and maybe, could that be a snake? Or could that be a root? I actually haven't watched this yet, so as I'm watching this, I'm trying to figure out what it could possibly be making. Yeah, see where it looks like a vine or a root? It kind of went through something and then attached to the bottom part of it. And now he's drawing some more stipples. Stipples are always good when I don't know what to draw. I always feel like just adding some stippling because it's time consuming, and it gives me some time to think about what I want to draw next. I don't think I had asked him about what pen he was using, but from here it's hard to tell during the time lapse. But it looks like a very fine tip pen, maybe a 0.2, 0.3 possibly. No, I can't imagine that this pen would be more than a 0.5. For as much detail as getting packed into this small of an area. And the paper to me looks like it's about maybe, possibly, let's see, 6 by 8 inches. Somewhere around that size. And I think I see what looks like a cave. And then kind of the right side of it looks like a cave. And then it's strange, like as I'm looking at this, I see it from one direction, and then I kind of see it at another angle, so I'm not really sure which direction. It kind of gives it an illusion to me. And as I said, I do like all the detail is put into the small of an area, and the square that's drawn around it to really make it stand out, and the part of the drawing that comes out just a little bit out of that frame. It's a really interesting drawing, and I'll have to take a look at this and find some inspiration from it. Definitely a cool looking drawing there. And as you can see in my drawing, I'm using the rotring isograph. And this is the 0.35. It has the yellow barrel on it. And I'm doing my usual thing of drawing abstract clouds when I don't even know what to draw. But yes, I have been doing a lot of drawings. I have so many now on my computer, I don't even know which folder is which, because there's just so many on there. I even had another hard drive in my computer dedicated for videos that are unedited, and then one that is for videos that are edited. And even then, I'm getting confused with all the drawings that I've done and all the recordings. I've got to find a better system for it. Something for a better workflow. because I'll go to edit it on my computer, and there's just so many videos all over, I just get completely lost. But yeah, so things are going pretty good. I did end up getting a new phone. The last one I had wasn't very good. I couldn't use it to record anything, or if I wanted to take photos of something and share it. The quality of the phone, it was just really bad, so I decided it was best to go ahead and upgrade to a better one. And yeah, this one's a lot better. The last one I had was an LG Stylo, and I've upgraded to a Samsung phone. This one's quite a bit more expensive, but it can do a lot of things that I couldn't do before. And now I can take 4K video at 60 frames per second with it, and it can take photos at 16 megapixels. So that is a huge upgrade. My last phone was it was 13 megapixels, but the photo quality of it was absolutely horrible. It wasn't very good. I don't even know what I'm going to do with that phone. I've just got it sitting in my kitchen. I think I could give it to somebody, but I don't think anybody would even want that phone, because the back of it's kind of worn down. There's this material on the back of the phone. It makes it look like metal, but it's just painted on there to look realistic, and it's not really that good looking of a phone on the back of it. It's kind of just all scuffed up. But yeah, lots of drawings. I'm just sitting here thinking about how I'm going to rearrange all that in my computer. I think it's going to take me maybe a week to do that. Possibly more. Possibly. If you haven't seen already some of the videos I've recently uploaded to where I'm talking about philosophy or life advice or other things in general, that topic, it's kind of not really, how do you put it? I guess philosophy could be an art, or maybe speaking could be an art. I mean, it doesn't really seem like it would go with my channel, but it's a part of what I do, so I guess I'll just continue doing it because I like doing it, and I like doing the speeches and really get into philosophy and stoicism, which has helped me a lot with staying calmer, and it allows me to focus more if I'm doing a drawing or if I'm trying to think of what I want to draw or editing videos or anything else in my life. So it's been very beneficial and helping me find inner peace and allowing me to be more creative as an artist so that I don't have all this anxiety build up to where I'm worried about if I'm going to get a drawing done at a certain time, being too worried about if I'm good enough at drawing, and just enjoying the moment, drawing what I can, and just having fun with it. I mean, there's plenty of times where I've done a drawing to where it feels like I just want to get the drawing done, but then there are times I don't want to stop drawing. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.